Hi viewers, welcome back to Pharma Book channel. Please like, share and subscribe Pharma Book. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you are watching first time my channel, please go through previous videos also. In this video, we are going to discussing about data integrity principles, along with regulatory requirements in the pharmaceutical industries. So don't waste our time. Let's get into our channel Pharma Book. Let's see the few definitions. In that first one, data integrity. Data integrity refers to the completeness, consistency and accuracy of the data throughout the data life cycle. The complete, consistent and accurate data should be attributable, legible, contemporaneously recorded, original or a true copy, and accurate. Metadata. Metadata is the contextual information required to understand the data. In simple language, metadata is a data for the raw data. Arbitrary. The events which are related to verifying the creation, modification or deletion of the electronic record. An arbitrary is a chronology of the who, what, when and why of a record. Audit trials most frequently conduct in the laboratory areas. In nowadays, pharmaceutical industries are aiming for data should be complete, accurate, secure and consistent. If you see the errors in the pharmaceutical industries, 20% is the intentional and 80% is unintentional. Most frequently, challenges noticed by the or observation noticed by the agencies are the first one, non-contemporaneous recording, means failure to record the data when the time of activity was performed, and the second one, document backdating. Backdating stability test results to meet the required commitment. And number 3, copy of existing data as new information. Copying of one batch results to another batch results, and accept test results were created without performing the test. Number 4, rerunning samples to obtain better results. It means repeating the analysis without any proper justification. Number 5, data fabrication and data discarding. It means changing the original raw data, original records, and discarding the original records and raw data. Based on the challenges noticed by the regulatory authorities, suggested the data integrity principles for the pharmaceutical industries. That is a ALCOA, nothing but a Alcoa principle. In that, first one, attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate. Attributable is to understand the who performed an activity and when it was happened, and if the record was changed, who did it and why record was changed was easily understand by attributable. And the second one, legible. The data should be readable and understandable. Number 3, contemporaneous. It means the data should be recorded when the activity was performed. Number 4, original. The information should be original or true copy. And number 5, accurate. The data should not contain errors. The Alcoa principle was revised as Alcoa Plus. In that, they are adding the enduring, provide the storage media for paper and electronic data. And number 2, complete. It means all data is present and available. And number 3, consistent. It means follow the sequence and maintain the sequence for the reported data. In the pharmaceutical industries, data integrity violations are mostly observed in batch records, equipment cleaning records, training records. If you trend the department wise data integrity issues, around 80% of the issues are related to quality control department. See the what will happen in the absence of data integrity in the industries. We get the warning letters from the regulatory authorities and a importation ban. Nothing but a import alert to the company. Loss of consumer confidence. Product application review suspended. Market and share price will decrease. So for all those, we protect the data from accidental modification, intentional modification, falsification, and the last one, deletion. And also aware the employees with respect to data integrity and maintain the data integrity policy. Maintain a special focus in the regular internal audits. For further clarification or further any doubts regarding this video, please comment in comment section. This video was made by taking the reference of FDA draft guidelines which are published on 2016 and also by taking the PICS UGMP and ISO standard guidelines.